Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your front brake disc and pads on this Ford Transit. So first we're going to unplug this plug for the brake pad sensor. Next step, need to remove this 16mm, but you need to put a 21mm spanner on there, 16mm socket, same for this one and this one. Then we're going to take this caliper off. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So now you can pull it off. If it doesn't come off, you need to push the caliper that way so that the pistons are gone in. Let's take our pads out. Now we're going to take the carry bolts off the 21mm. We take out this circlip. What's a split pin really? Not really a circlip. Now I've got to remove that one, but before we do that, we'll take this one off, 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 30mm. Now we're going to use a 36mm socket, move that one. Then we've got to remove those ones last, as you can see in there. Now I'm going to take these ones off. Now I'll just pull them out. All of them. Now try to take off one comma, so tap, you can see it moving away. Now we're going to remove those 30mm. So now we're going to remove these 30mm. So now we're going to transfer that hub bearing over to this one. As you can see, it's got a groove, so line it up with the grooves. And it'll slot in. And line it up with the holes. And put the bolts back in. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So now, as you can see, I've got all the bolts in it. I'll go ahead and tighten them all up. So make sure they're all lined up first. So now I'm going to put that back on. Just need to line up with the shaft, and then need to line up the actual, it's called wheel bearing, with those bits that sits through there. So once it's back on now, I'm going to show you the holes. So as you can see there, you've got to make sure the holes line up with those bits down there, and then we're going to put our bolt through to make sure it's lined up. Screw in by hand, and then catch all of them, then tighten them up. Now we're just going to tighten those up a bit. Go around and do all of those. Now I'm going to put this back on. We're going to get our nut. I'm going to do that up as well. So you've got to tighten that torque there, put this cover back on, and then put our split pin through. So now we're going to put our carrier back on. Now as you can see, I've already tightened back up on the carrier. Now I'm going to fit the pads back in, but I need to fit the sensor back in. So now our sensor's back in. You can stop this one. Now, just line it back up, put it back on, run the sensor through the caliper. Now I'm going to put a new bolts in. That one there as well. So I've already tightened that one up, and that one, I've showed it before, that's a 21 socket and a 50mm span socket. Put this back on. Plug our sensor back in. And that's it really. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.